Hi everyone, G here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different styles of eyeliner, and I'll also show you what each one looks like with and without lashes. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with the easiest and most basic liner first, which is the straight line. Now, if you master this, you'll be golden because you can use this shape as the basis for many other liner designs. So I always like to start by creating small strokes very close to the lash line, and you generally want to keep this liner the same thickness all the way through, but making the liner a little thinner at the inner 2/3 can really give the eyes a nice shape and make them stand out. And here I've just put on a very natural pair of lashes from Ardell in the style 424 from the Naked line. Next up is my personal favorite, the classic wing. So at the end of my straight line, using my lower lash line angle as a guide, I'm going to draw a line up and out. And then I draw another line to connect the top of the liner to the tip to create a triangle. So once I like the general shape, I start filling in the triangle and thickening up the liner ever so slightly. I personally, like I said, I love the classic wing. It can really be your saving grace if you mess up an eyeshadow look. But I'm not going to lie, it's hard to master, and the only way to get better at it is the good old saying, practice makes perfect. And here I've just used the same style of lashes as I did with the previous liner. All right, now we are going to Funky Town because next up is the 80s flick. Oh my god, how lame am I? Dad jokes right there. But anyway, the steps to creating the 80s flick are pretty much the same as the classic wing, but the difference is the wing is shorter and the belly of the liner is much thicker. Now, I used a cotton bud to erase the length of the wing, but I made sure to do it in a way where it makes the wing more vertical as opposed to more horizontal, which is what the classic wing does. It stretches the shape of the eye long ways. So with the 80s flick, you kind of want to make it short and up so it sort of pulls your eyes up, if that makes sense. Gosh, that was a horrible explanation, but what I was trying to basically say was the classic wing makes your eyes more long, whereas the 80s flick sort of makes them more round and bigger. Oh, I'm telling you, the words make sense in my head before I say them, and then I say them and not so much. Okay, moving right along, last but certainly not least is our feline eye. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I don't have the right eye shape for this, but if you have almond shaped eyes, hubba hubba, it will give you that not salty. I hope it doesn't give you a salty look. It will give you a very sultry look. But yeah, it's beautiful. It stretches out the eye and it brings a level of mystery. So to create this shape, I've extended the wing out and I brought it in at the inner corner. Next, I'm going in with a very waxy eyeliner to smudge it through at the lower lash line. Now, the only pencil / waxy eyeliner I had was this grey one with glitter in it, so please ignore the color and the sparkle, but you get the general idea. It's what you want. You want something easy and very creamy that will create that sort of smoky effect. I also went in with some mascara on the lower lash line as well, and this is what it looks like with no lashes. And I have seen some people wear this feline wing with no lashes, and it kind of makes it look dangerous, but in a good way. But to show you what the liner looks like with lashes, I paired it with a very strong lash just to balance out how strong the wing is. And this is in the style Samantha by Huda Beauty. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos of mine. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!